Thank you guys for coming out. My name is Andreas. I've been working with these guys this past semester, and we created this awesome mural. This was all their concept, and they put a lot of work into it. And I'm super proud of what they created and what we created together. One thing I'll say is, they have this quote up here. It says, "You can do more than you imagine." And I can't imagine being in this spot years ago. You know, I've been doing art my whole life, and it's been over a year that Raina and I have been doing art full time, and it's been such an amazing blessing experience, and I'm so glad to bring it to you guys. And I'm just excited that you guys are going to be graduating and moving on. And back when I was in high school, I never would imagine this to be my life, and it's a really cool experience. And just know you guys can do anything, and like it says, you can do more than you imagine, and it's really true. So I'm stoked for you guys to see this. And do you have something to say, Mark?
Get it, Mari.
There's such a patience into doing with the other seniors. I feel good to be a part of it because how important it means to all of us here as a society and a community. Can we reveal it? Come on now, reveal it. Go, reveal it, bro. Come on. Reveal that. The experience we had with it was very peaceful and entertaining to do because the time it took us, and we put a lot of dedication into this for everybody here.
Everything on here symbolizes us as seniors.
And to represent what Jay just said, I also want to bring us to the flowers that represent us five and us being upcoming seniors. It took some time, it took a lot of effort, a lot of dedication, and us just being us.
With the door and the book, it symbolizes us as seniors and upcoming seniors. Like, stay in school, get your grades while you can.
I will talk about the butterflies and how it's us going into the future, us having challenges, whether they're good, bad, struggles. We all walk a different path, and we all have different struggles, whether we're old, young. Like, nobody's to judge. We're all here as one, and we all should help each other and be supportive for each other.
At least for that last year, I'd like to thank our helpers that came out here and helped us with this. It took a long time, so thank you, Andreas and Raina. Thank you guys for everything and the help that y'all put in, so thank you guys.
Thank you guys again so much. We're super excited to come back in the spring and work on this huge wall with you guys. So get ready, come up with some awesome ideas. Last thing I'll say is, I know you seniors aren't graduating yet, but we have your yearbook here, and we have markers for you guys to all sign and write whatever you would like. So one last time touching the wall.
My trip is there. Camera right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, I'm all.